Hi, I'm Krau Kargongwar. I'm father of Adoni darling. These kind of workshops are very important, and our kids are having a lot of distractions, way too many distractions, especially during the holidays, and there's nothing to do. I think these kind of workshops will really help them to grow and to learn more, something that is beyond their syllabus. Yeah, there are a lot of things that are not taught in school. In school, what they do is they just try to complete the syllabus from cover to cover, or even lesser than that. These things are out of syllabus now. You know, critical thinking, application-based learning, communication skills, and self-discipline. All these things are, because in school what they do is they try to rush with the syllabus. Yeah, and these things are indeed very helpful. He has developed. I've seen some sense of confidence in him. That's one. Two is he has become more diligent in whatever he is doing, and also I have seen that he has developed this sense of curiosity and interest, especially in application-based learning. Yes.